Today I'll be making a Toca Life story, so let's get started. I feel like going to the beach today, so better get ready. Put that on, get that. Wake up. Oh, good morning, Mom. Good morning, sweetie. We're going to the beach. The beach? I better go get ready. Okay, I'll go wake up your sister. Okay, what should I wear? Ooh, I know. Okay, then I'll just take that off and put that there. I almost forgot to change. Okay, I'll go downstairs. Okay, what should I wear? I'm gonna wear this since we're going to the beach. Oh, I decided to wait for you in the elevator. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's go wake up your sister. Wake up. She hasn't woken up yet. I'll just jump on the bed. Wake up, wake up. Morning. We're going to the beach. Come on, get ready. Okay, we'll be over here. Okay. Oh, I just realized we're gonna go to the tailor to get our beach clothing, wherever has the best beach clothing. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna go put my headband back on then. Okay, let's go put my headband on. Okay. Oh, wait. Let me see. My mom is over there. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, everybody hop in the car. Okay. Just gonna put that back there. And then, oh. There we go. And then I'll hop in my seat. And let's go. Okay, we're here. Let's go. Okay. Now we're gonna go get some clothing. And then we're gonna go to the beach. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna stay in this hotel for a bit because the place we're going to is a bit far away, but let's go get some suits. Okay, you like this bag, please? And, honey, would you like a swimsuit? Uh-huh. Pick one swimsuit. I think I like this one. Oh. Okay. I'll put it in the bag. Ooh, I think I like this one. Ah. And, actually, I want to get this one. Mom, you can have mine. Yeah, I wanted that one anyway. And then I'd like this camera. Okay, that'll be $12.99. Okay, here you go. Okay. You can have a tour here. Have all the keys, or I'll show you to. Sorry guys, it's my first day on the job. I'm gonna show you all the rooms, and then you guys can decide on one. Okay. Let's go to the first. Okay, say follow me. Okay, so dorm 1, I forgot which key, but I think it's this one. There's this cute bag you can keep, the bathroom, and the bedroom. There's only one bedroom. Now let's move on to floor 2. Okay, so this is floor number 2. Sir, you and your family were supposed to leave a week ago. We better run. Okay, so this one is most likely. Okay, so, oh, I forgot to show you this one. So here's the kitchen. Here is the bathroom. Here is the kids' bedroom. Ooh, I think I like this one. And then here is the grown-up bedroom. I just realized I forgot the kids. Oh, okay. Let's go to the 3rd floor, and then you can go get them. Okay, so this last floor, excuse me, honey. This last floor, I don't know if this one's good or not, but like here is like a room that you can like, I don't know, hang up your stuff, and then here's a bathroom. Here's a 1-person kid bedroom, and then here's the living room and the bedroom and like a little kitchen with a balcony. This one has the best view. I think I want the 2nd floor. The 2nd floor's key your child has, so let's just go back downstairs, and you can just like keep your stuff. Okay, so close the door. Okay, let me just put all the keys back. Here, I'll hold on to that for you. Okay, we've got to go. Get in the back seat, honey. Okay. Okay, now I'll get in. Okay, we've arrived. Okay, let's go. Close the door. You guys stay right here. I'm gonna go get the girls. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. I've gotta get the girls. Got you. Oh. Okay, let's go. Okay. Alright, let's get going. Okay. Let's go. Now I'll close the door and let's go. Okay, let's head to the car. I'll just hold everything. Okay. And we're here, let's go. Okay. Let's go. Oh, you're back. Here is your key. Hey Lisa, could you hold it? Yes, Mom. Okay, we wanted the second floor, right? Yep. Oh, I put the key in the wrong slot. Okay, okay. Okay, second floor.